All right, let's open this thing up. All right, these are the Daystar airbag cradles that I need for my Carli lift, because I've got 3 1/4 lift in the back, and this is the saddle that the bags will sit on. So there's that. Of course, I got the Firestone, and I think Firestone's one of the best. All right. Got my installation instructions. Zip ties with all your hardware package. Cradle. Your under straps. Quarter-inch line. And you got some bags. Boing. All right, piece of cake, man. Let's put this thing together. What do you guys say? All right, so first I have to mount my Daystar pads on top of my bottom mount. So it'll sit just like that. Okay, this is the left side. Look at that. Okay, so there is a difference. These bolts, the shorter goes towards the front of the vehicle. Alright, so this is what's happening. That is supposed to have a flat screw that goes into that. But with the Daystar saddle that I have to have, that is hitting. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and drill that out right there so my nut will fit inside that slot, and I can install this thing. So that was a poor design on Daystar side of it. Everything else is going fine. So let me get my drill out, and we'll drill that thing. Alright, that I can live with. And I want to move this one back. I can't. Maybe. Well, I don't want the hose sitting there. Alright, on to the passenger side. I've already got this set up. I got my hole drilled and it's pretty ready to go. Put that in there and run my lines and put the wheel back on. I'm ready to go. So I'm going to set you guys. looks like. Now, the reason why I didn't like the telephone. Hello.
Good morning. This is Victoria calling from Lake Elsinore Chrysler Dodge Jeep and Ram in the service department. May I speak to the owner of the 2019 Ram?
You're speaking to him.
I'm calling in regards to a open safety recall, a Y78 for the high pressure fuel pump. Were you aware of this recall?
Yeah, do you have any available right now?
For the inspection, I do have appointments for tomorrow.
No,
If you're available.
that's not going to work. I'll have to call back. Alright, the reason why I didn't like the timbering, you know, they say you could take them in and out, on and off, like real easy. But because of this brace right here, I'm not able to get a wrench in there from either side. There's just no way. So, you know, to get that on and off there, it just didn't work. So that's why I went to these instead. Another reason why I went to these instead. Alright, well, I got my airbags installed and ready to run the lines, but I'm not going to run the lines yet because I'm going to install the remote air system. And that will be in the next video. So tag along and watch the next video. I'll install the remote air system with Bluetooth. Talk to you guys later.